Hey guys, welcome to TechBoard. This is 2 Minutes Tech and you are looking at Leaf Pop. It is a compact Bluetooth speaker. So before going on to the review, let's check out what is inside the box. Link to this Bluetooth speaker is in description of this video, so check that out. First of all, in the box you get this manual, 2 cables which includes aux cable that is very small, I didn't like it, and this micro USB charging cable. Finally, here is this Leaf Pop Bluetooth speaker. My first impressions, it is small but little heavy. Now talking about the design, then it is just awesome. I really liked it, and it comes with this textured material that feels very good in hands. It has also got this kind of a phone stand, or you can say that this is just a phone stand. Now talking about the features, then it has Bluetooth 4.1, works with the aux, and there is also this micro SD card slot. That is really nice feature of this. It has also FM radio, so good for FM lovers. Now moving on to the pairing mode, then all you have to do this. To turn this speaker on, you just have to press power button and it directly goes to the pairing mode. So you don't have to worry about it. And in whatever mode you are at the time, it will really tell you. I mean, it kind of speaks with you. Like if it is in Bluetooth mode, it will say Bluetooth mode. If you are in aux mode, it will say aux mode. Now finally, it is time for the performance. Then I have to say that it is just now priced at rupees 1499. For this price you get a nice sound quality and the bass is not very much high. If you need a high bass, then this speaker is not for you. This speaker is very much loud and I never played it on full volume, because on full volume sound gets really distorted. So now if the volume is at 90%, it sounds really very good. Vocals are nice, including the instruments, they are audible to ears. Now finally coming on to the battery backup, then 5 to 6 hours of battery backup is easily done by this speaker. And comparing everything of this speaker with the price, then price of this is 1499 and it is a great deal. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one.